Hello. A few days ago, we started a process of how to incubate and hatch your chicken eggs in your backyard. As a poultry farmer, for you to minimize the cost you spend on purchasing day-old chicks or young chicks, you need to start hatching your own eggs. Start hatching your chicken eggs in your farm. You don't need to buy everything. You don't need to buy the feed, buy charcoal to put, or gas, or kerosene, or electricity, buy day old, everything from the market. If you depend on commercial feed, commercial day old, everything commercial, you are not going to make a substantial profit as a poultry farmer. You need to cut costs by producing your own day old chicks. This is the step. Start now and do that. Watch this content till the end. Thank you. I started with mini incubator. I started with 60 eggs, 120 eggs. Today, and I promise you that I will continue till I go down to industrial incubators. That is using thousands of capacities, 3,000, 6,000, 12,000, and rest of them. And I tag this particular content A, B, C, D, and E. If you have been following all this training right from part 1, part 2, today is the part 3, and today we end everything about mini incubator. So let me take you down. See the last set of mini incubator I'm going to show you today. This will be 120 egg capacity mini incubator. Please, this particular content is not a promotional content. I'm not promoting any incubator or egg, or even myself. I'm not even promoting myself. I'm only need to teach you how to hatch, incubate, hatch, and produce your own young chicks in your farm. That is the essence of this training. I'm not promoting any product here. It's just for teaching and for learning purpose. Now let me go in. Let's go there. See the 120 mini incubator. How I place the eggs. I'll at the same time show you how it works and how you can as well do it in your own farm and at the same time produce a better result than myself. Now you can see this incubator. This is 120 egg capacity incubator. I just stock few eggs inside this particular incubator, not up to full capacity, but just for teaching purposes. I'm no more using this mini incubator. We are using industrial incubator here, but I just stock this one for you to see how it works and how you can at the same time do it in your farm. We started from here. We started gradually right from mini incubators. You can see it. It has almost similar to the other incubator, but they are not the same. This is a different model. You can see it now. This is the humidity, and this is the humidity here. This is the temperature meter. You can see it. Now, what is our buttons? Upper button, this is lower button. You want to increase the thermometer, the heat. You want to increase the humidity, you press it. Now let me open the incubator so that you see how the inside looks like. This is incubator open. You can see I only stocked few eggs here. You can see it. Only few eggs are here. You can see it. You can see the few eggs. You can see it. So this each line now is 10 eggs. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 eggs. And this is 12 in line here. This will give you 120 eggs. This will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is a 12 line. You can see the humidity. You can see this. You can see the vapor here coming out. This is the humidity controller. You can see it has automatic humidity because as I open this, the humidity is going out. So it's trying to refill that same humidity. You can see the humidity. You can see this. You can see it here. You can see it. So now watch it. You can see it. Are you seeing something here? Are you seeing it? You can see something splashing here. You can see it. You can see it. You can see it. That's the humidity. We call it humidifier. That's what it is called. It has, yes, this is a sign because the incubator is not supposed to be open. So open it now. There is an alarm because the temperature is dropping. It's showing you low temperature. low temperature. That was showing you now. Now you can see the same humidifier here. You can see it here. You can see it. These are eggs. All these eggs already. These eggs, you can see them here. These are special eggs. I just stock them for this particular purpose. When I scan them now, you now see how they are forming in. You can see it. This is a mini incubator also. Watch the humidifier. This is the left hand side humidifier. This is the right hand side humidifier here also. All of them are working. You can see the humidifier working. You can see it working. You are seeing the splash of water vapor trying to humidify the egg. The egg themselves, remember, they are living things. They have life inside them. They have the embryo growing. That embryo takes in oxygen and out carbon dioxide also. And this is where the oxygen, this is the air vent. We call it air vent. You can see there's opening here. This opening here comes from here. You can see it. This is where they breathe in and out. You can see it. They breathe in and out. See it. This is the air vent. This is the water inlet. This is where they feed them water, because this water here, this vapor here is water coming out. You can see it. The egg in themselves drink water also, because they have life inside them. Everything human being takes, they take them at the same time also. This is the, we call it meter. This is the humidity control. You can see it, controller. You can see it here. Now I'm going to close back. You have seen it. I'm going to close it back. Closing it. Right now, it's closed. This is the same one. You can see this one also. It still have some eggs inside. The egg is still going. You can see this one. The eggs are there, inside there. You can see the egg from here. You can see the eggs from there. You can see, are you seeing the eggs? You can see the eggs inside the incubator. You can see them there. I don't want to open it now. You can see it. You can see the humidity. You can see the egg inside. These are special eggs. These are special eggs of Brahma, Siki. You have, you can see it. They are inside. You can see it here. So this is the end of this part 3 of the use of mini incubator to hatch your eggs. We are starting another step, that will be industrial incubators. Don't miss any track of this particular training. Don't miss any of them. We are starting that, the part 1 of using industrial incubator to hatch your eggs. Thank you. Start building up, it's still building up. You can see it. Thank you. So please, let's watch the development of our eggs already. You can see. Are you watching it? Are you seeing the movement of the embryo in the egg? This is the day 7 of this particular egg, which we use in this training. You can see the formation. You can see the movement of the embryo. Are you seeing it? See the embryo inside the egg. How do we get this? After 5 days, use a torch, a very sharp torch, and flash it at the broad edge of the egg. That's the head of the egg. You will see the movement, and that must be done in a very dark room, like here now. You can watch, see the movement. You can see the movement on the embryo. You can see it moving inside, like as if it's swimming. You can see it. Are you watching it? Are you seeing it? You can see the movement. Are you seeing the movement there? That is the embryo breathing and moving like a child in the mother's womb. You can see it. You can see the movement. All those lines, reddish lines, are veins supplying the live stream. That is the BLOOD to them. This is what gives them the life. You can see the movement. It's breathing. It's eating. It's enjoying. You can see the movement there. You can see the egg. That is the egg. You can see the movement of the embryo. You're seeing it. Please make sure you allow this video to reach others. Do the right thing. Click the right button to let other farmers that have not seen something like this. This is purely practical. This is right here in my farm. You can see it. We are using the mini incubator, not the industrial one yet. I will still take you to the industrial incubator. This is the end of today's section of the part 3 of the use of mini incubator to hatch your chicken eggs in your farm or in your home. You can see it. See the movement. This is the 7th of this egg. And this is the last for this particular section. The next section is the use of industrial incubator. You can see it. See the movement. You are seeing it. Thank you for watching. Please let other farmers get this. Don't just keep this knowledge to yourself. Let your group, your friends, your platforms, every other platform you belong, especially agri platform, poultry, livestock, let them see this and let them have an idea of how it looks and how it works. You can do it in your farm right away as we are doing it here. You just watched the part 1, part 2, and part 3 of the use of mini incubator to hatch your chicken eggs right in your poultry farm. Congratulations, you have done yourself a very good job this year 2024. Please don't just watch it, let's put it into practice. Look for a mini incubator, look for few parent stock, start producing your own egg so that you keep all the training in action. Bye. Till I come with the part 1 of the use of industrial incubator to hatch your eggs. I know that most of you are now interested in going into hatchery. If you need to set up a hatchery, either mini or industrial one, drop it on the comment section. This is my field. I'm a professional in the field. I will guide you, and at the same time I can set it up for you if all the conditions are intact. Thank you. Till then, bye.